Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. In this video, we will discuss about some important updates from Google Stitch. Here you see that we are excited to share 3 new features that shipped in Stitch today. And also we will talk about this Google AI Studio new build mode settings, some of the new features that they have updated. Okay, so stay with me till the end. And if you are new to this channel, Code Digit, please make sure to subscribe this channel and please like the video. So let's start the video. Here you see Stitch by Google. So the first feature that they have published is the variants. Generate design variation of any screen in one click. So if you go to the Stitch of this Google, here you see that this is the design that I have generated with one prompt, and after that from this generated design, if you want to create some variants of this design, then follow my cursor. Here you will find this create variant option. So just hover on this image and here you see that you will find this create variant. And I know that the text is very small, it is showing here, but there is no option to zoom this screen. So that's why I am not able to zoom this icon. Okay, so please follow my cursor, this create variant. If you click on it, this create variants, here you will find that within a second it will generate some variation of this current design. Here you see that in my current main design there was a line chart and this bar chart in the middle, but here you see that with the new generated design there is this kind of line chart and it has removed this bar chart, and in another variant this is the line chart and they have just reduced the width of the bar chart, and this is another. Here you see that this is the line chart, this is the bar chart, and it has just changed the font also, and this is another variant and this is another variant. So like this they have generated the 5 variants with one click of the main design. Okay, so in this way you can do this kind of variant options. And now the next thing is this organizer. So magically clean up your messy canvas. I will show you a bit of later, but before that here you see another feature, sharing, means send a link to share your canvas with the coworkers and friends. So here you see that below on the left hand side you will find this share option. So if you click on this share, then it will ask you that enable sharing. Just click on it and copy the link, and after that you can share that link with anyone, with your friends or with whom you want to showcase your design. So this is the 3 feature, and the second feature was this organizer. So if I show you from their video, then you will understand clearly. Here you see there was many designs, and suppose you found that these 3 designs are helpful for you and you will remove the other design. So what you will do, here you see that you will just cite that designs on the right hand side, and after that just select that designs. Okay, just select that designs, and after that you will find this kind of icon. If you click on this option, here you will find that only this 3 design is left, and other design has gone from your canvas. Okay, so this is the 3 features, these 3 beautiful features that they have published in this Stitch, and I hope that it will be helpful for you. And this Stitch link is given in description. Those who don't know what is Stitch, so here basically you can generate any kind of design with the help of simple prompt. So here you see that mobile and web both options are available, and from this experimental mode you can use the Gemini 2.5 Pro, and from the standard mode you can use the Gemini 2.5 Flash. Okay, now let's move to our this Google AI Studio. Here on the left hand side you will find this build option. So if you go to this build, there you can build any kind of complex app also. So after releasing this Nano Banana, here you see that below they have just published some template. Here you see that Banan Emmet, this is one template that they have published. Actually these are the apps that they have made with this Google AI Studio build feature. On the left hand side here you see this build is written, and after that here in this prompt option, here you see that they have added this settings, advanced settings option, and here they have just added this Gemini 2.5 Pro as the default, and another 2 option in this template. for the React and Angular TypeScript. So Angular support was added 3 days ago. Here you see you can use now Google AI Studio to build, share, deploy Angular apps. Okay, so you will tell me that many people are not using Angular now, they are using React, but Angular is a product of Google and it is a good framework that you can use. So please try it. Otherwise you can go with the React also. And here you see that if I show you some of the apps that they have generated, let's say this pig shop. So if you go to this pig shop and let's see that what kind of app they have made with it. So it will show the preview. Okay, let me move my image to on the left hand side, and AI powered photo editing simplified. Okay, it's a photo editing app that they have generated with this Gemini 2.5 Pro and Google AI Studio. I hope that this AI Studio is far better than the Gemini Canvas. Gemini Canvas means I am talking about this gemini.google.com, this platform. Okay, so I hope that this platform, this AI Studio, is far better than this Gemini Canvas. Let's test this website. Let's upload an image here. Okay, so which this one? I have uploaded this. After uploading here, you see that retouch, crop, adjust, filter. These options are coming. So if I go to this crop, okay, I think okay, I am able to crop it and also change the area, and also there is a free 1:1 16:9 apply crop. Okay, it got cropped. Here you see it is working fine. And also in adjust we have some options, right? Warmer lightning, studio light. So if I just apply this, okay, there's a prompt option. So here you see that this kind of beautiful app you can build with this Google AI Studio. AI is working its magic. So that means it is powered by completely AI. So this type of things, here you see that studio light means it has blurred these things as a studio. In case of studio photo, you will see that the background is completely some kind of blur, and the front image is actually looking very beautiful and good and clear. So this kind of complex app also you can build with it. So these are the updates. I hope that it will be helpful for you guys, and if you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And another bonus point is that you can generate these images or design from this stitch and give that design to this AI Studio, and you can generate a beautiful kind of app or website. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.